Ever wondered about the difference between a bonus and a spiff? I mean, they both sound like extra cash, right? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the world of employee incentives. Let's start with a scenario. Imagine you're a salesperson. You've just closed a huge deal. Your boss calls you in and says, "Great job. Here's something extra." Is that a bonus or a spiff? Most people would probably say bonus, but it might surprise you. A bonus is typically tied to overall performance. It's a reward for meeting or exceeding expectations. Think annual bonuses, performance-based bonuses, or even sign-on bonuses. They're often calculated based on a percentage of salary, a specific goal achieved, or company profits. It's a way for the company to show appreciation for your contributions to the big picture. On the other hand, a spiff is a short-term incentive tied to a specific action or sale. It's that quick cash injection to motivate you to hit a specific target. Salespeople are probably the most familiar with spiffs. It could be a bonus for selling a particular product, exceeding a daily sales quota, or even upselling additional items. Spiffs are designed to drive immediate results. So, back to our salesperson scenario. If the extra cash is tied to that specific deal, it's more likely a spiff. If it's based on overall sales performance for the quarter, it's probably a bonus. Now, let's talk about the psychology behind these incentives. Bonuses can foster a long-term perspective. Employees are motivated to contribute to the overall success of the company. Spiffs, on the other hand, create a short-term focus. They're like little dopamine hits that encourage immediate action. Both bonuses and spiffs have their place in the workplace. A well-structured incentive program can boost morale, increase productivity, and attract top talent. But it's essential to use them strategically. Too many spiffs can create a short-term focus at the expense of long-term goals. Too few bonuses can demotivate high performers. Finding the right balance is key. Some companies offer a combination of both. For example, a salesperson might receive a spiff for closing a deal and a bonus based on quarterly sales. This approach can create a powerful incentive structure. It's also worth mentioning that non-monetary incentives can be just as effective. Recognition, public praise, opportunities for advancement, and flexible work arrangements can all be powerful motivators. So, the next time your boss offers you extra cash, pay attention to the details. Is it a bonus or a spiff? Understanding the difference can help you appreciate the incentive and maximize its impact. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.